I'm Kacia Stewart. I go to the University of Oregon and I major in environmental studies. And I'm currently doing an internship at an environmental company here in London. Interning for does a lot of work in the voluntary carbon credit market. And my job is to write web pages for their climate projects as well as compile impact data. I'm loving living in London. I love being in a big city with bustling people all the time. And I love the social crowds, and everyone here is so nice and social, and I'm really enjoying living here. Well, interning for an environmental company, I feel like I've learned a lot about the environmental field as a whole. I've also really improved my communication skills, my written communication skills, as well as my work ethic, and just being in a professional environment has really helped teach me about that world. I have really enjoyed my experience coordinators. Peach and Alex have been so willing to answer any questions that I have and have such great answers, and have set up great meetups for all of us. Some advice that I would give someone that's interning abroad is really just be open to any experience, be like a sponge and willing to just accept any information that they can, learn as much as you can, and just enjoy being in a city like this.